Our ReadSpeaker development team is ready to roll out our initial integration into Blackboard Ultra. Let's take a peek. Begin by clicking on your Ultra course. Let's open the Getting Started module. You can read documents with our docReader tool. Documents formats include EPUBs, PDFs, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel files. Let's access the PDF. First, locate the document. Click on the document. Now click on Open Documents with docReader, which is located on the left-hand side of the black stripe at the top. In the side panel that opens on the right, click on the document name. We now see our document opened in docReader, where we have many accessibility tools. Scroll down to the bullet points. Let's listen to the first one.
docReader is used for reading many Office, EPUB, and PDF files.
Now let's go back to our module and look at ReadSpeaker webReader. Click on an HTML file. You see the ReadSpeaker webReader button at the top of the page. Let's click on Listen to hear some content.
Each person has different learning preferences. You may prefer to listen to information, or read information, or to interact with information.
Now let's look at which tools are at our fingertips. Adjust our reading speed and our text settings. We can also adjust our window size. All these tools are great for creating focus or aiding with decoding challenges. We can change our reading voice. The Click and Listen tool is great for reading selected content. Turn it on. And then click on a paragraph. Notice the orange rectangle around the paragraph? This indicates which paragraph is being read. Text mode is a great way to reduce distractions. Remember, you can adjust your settings from this view without returning to settings. The page mask is great for driving your focus and helping you stay on the correct line. Download your MP3 file and listen to your lesson on the go. The Help tool has instructions on how to use each tool. You can translate a word or phrase into a different language. Let's translate the phrase career counseling into Spanish.
Orientación profesional.
Sometimes you need to look up a word in a dictionary. Let's look up the word institution. Notice it is a noun, has 3 different definitions, and has an example for each definition. Like the Translate tool, we can listen to the information as it is read to us. On the screen, you see an assignment. Let's listen to the first part of the assignment.
Find an article on text-to-speech.
Quizzes and tests can be created from either the test or assignment options. First, let's view the quiz created from the test tool. Click on the quiz. Click on Start Attempt 1. Notice that the Listen button is above each question. Let's listen to the first question from the test.
Question 1. 10 points. I can currently use ReadSpeaker to read what parts of Ultra? A. Grades. B. Journals. C. Content, tests, assignments, and documents. D. Discussions.
We know the answer is currently content, tests, assignments, and documents. Now let's go to the quiz created using the assignment tool and read the second question. Click on the quiz. Click on Start Attempt. Scroll to question 2. Click Listen. As you can see, it is reading question 2. We know the answer is true. Now that you have seen the available tools, you will want to utilize them to increase your engagement and learning.